Can't choose your next restaurant to eat at? Too many options? Not enough information? Use We8, Generative AI, to find your next meal.
So I'm just going to give a quick demo of how our code works. So in this first cell, we basically load the files and data in our models. And here is all the stuff to predict a restaurant. And then after that, we get our GUI set up through here. And this is all to print out the model outputs, where we call the model here. After that, this is to make the GUI and input text. So now if we run this cell, we get a pop-up like this, and it asks you to tell you anything that you would want from a restaurant, like food or a specific type of restaurant. So if we say, I would like Turkish food, the model takes a bit to run, but then afterward, it should spit out something that gives you the restaurant name and related info about the restaurant. BERT says, I recommend you to try this specific restaurant with this average rating, and it gives you specific reviews that are representative of all the reviews that we have.
For We8, our core idea was to tackle an everyday problem with the BERT algorithm, which is uncommonly used in software engineering, but has risen in popularity in natural language processing in the sciences. Since our team has a background in astrophysics, math, and physics, we decided to take a fundamentally scientific approach to a software engineering problem by first reviewing relevant literature.
For our project, the user will input in a query, and then it will go through the BERT model. So for this model, we fine-tune a pre-trained BERT model on a task of classification on a dataset of Google user reviews and the associated restaurants. And then the output will be the restaurant name.
From the recommended restaurant name, we pull the reviews to create numerical embeddings using sentence transformers that we used as a basis for the semantic searching. The semantic searching took in a dynamic query based on the reviews and did a cosine similarity of 0.5 or higher for clustering them. We did a fine-tuning of those clusterings to make a predictive experience that was generated at the end.
The underlying model for We8 is extremely versatile. Anything that can be rated can be recommended. Some specific cases we looked at were recommending scientific papers, recommending case law, or recommending travel destinations and activities. Looking specifically at recommending scientific papers, the We8 model can easily be adapted by using a text processing algorithm to scrape data from these scientific papers and create a database, and then training the BERT model on those to recommend related papers. By applying an extremely novel BERT recommendation model to focused databases, We8 can not only find your next meal, but can be expanded to any recommendation you need.